everybody, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another memory spread. Today we are going to be memory planning the week of May 4th through May 10th, which is the week of Cinco de Mayo and Star Wars Day and Mother's Day and all kinds of things. This week has been very eventful, very emotional for me. I'll tell you guys all about it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do a talk through on this. I have not been able to successfully do a talk through. I mess it up and I end up talking way too long on a subject. So I think for right now, I'm just going to stick to voiceovers. I think I found a good balance on how to edit it for voiceovers. So that is what we're going to stick with for now. I don't know. Leave it in the comments below if you guys want me to try doing talk throughs or if you're okay with voiceovers. Yeah. Anyways, just let me know in the comments below. So today the kit we're going to be using is this kit right here. I believe it is called Bloom, and it is by Daily Dose of Stickers. I hauled this in one of my hauls, oh gosh, back in February. Anyways, here are the full boxes, the half boxes, fancy labels, and scallop boxes. Full page of ombre heart checklist, your Monday through Sunday, and a couple mini labels. Here you have your headers and your gorgeous floral bottom washi, and then all of these scripts, which I totally forgot that I had when I was pulling stickers. So I may end up using these, I may not, I'm not entirely sure. You never know. So anyways, I'm just gonna get started. I'm gonna speed you guys up and lay the base down, and I'll get back to you. Okay. So this is it. This is what the base spread looks like. I love it. It is a great break from all of the blue that I've been doing this month. I decided to color block the days. I kind of thought to maybe switch up the colors of the headers, but since they're all matte and they don't have any designs on them, I figured just to keep it in a color block order. So I'm really happy with how it turned out, and yeah, we're just gonna go. Oh, I need to lay down the weekend banner. I'm gonna do that, and then we can go ahead and get into the day-to-day plans. So the first thing that I wanted to mark is that I did go to Petco on this day, and I bought some training treats and toys for our new kitten. And I'm using a label from the kit, and these little credit cards are from a GL Designs Group freebie sampler. And yeah, I just want him to learn to chew on things that belong to him and not cords and stuff. The next thing that I wanted to mark is that I took my sister-in-law and my niece swimming on this day. So to mark that, I'm just using this adorable little emoji from Coffee Monsters Co. and his little flamingo floaty to mark that we went swimming. It was finally warm enough, thank the good sweet heavens. The next thing that I wanted to mark is that I bought some stickers on this day. Yeah, girl's been spendy because of Corona quarantine. So I'm just using this little shop for stickers sticker from Daily Dose of Stickers. And then the next thing that I wanted to mark is that I filmed my Plan With Me on this day. So I'm just marking that with this little Plan With Me girl from Stick With The Plan Co. Jumping over to Tuesday, the first thing that I wanted to mark is that I folded myself some laundry. My husband and I have like an endless slew of clean laundry that needs to be folded. What happens is like it'll get washed and then it'll be clean, but I just won't want to fold it. So I end up with like 17 piles of clean laundry that need to be folded. So I'm always folding laundry. The next thing that I wanted to mark is that we had pizza for dinner, and I'm just using this little girl from Plan Fantastic, and the pizza script is from the Happy Planner. The next thing that I wanted to mark is that I did film some workouts for my client on this day, so I'm just using this little workout Sassy Planner girl from Sassy Apple Studio, and that training script is from Planner Kate. The next thing that I wanted to mark is that I did some workouts with one of my really good friends. My apartment gym is actually open, and thank goodness for that because I've really been missing the gym. I've been doing home workouts, which is great, but it's nothing quite like the gym. So I'm just using this little gym bag from GL Designs Group, and that gym script is from Carpe Diem sticker book. Then I wanted to mark that I edited my Plan With Me on this day with a Fox and Pip laptop, and that Edit Plan With Me script is from my mom's shop. Then I wanted to mark that I had a bath and just some me time on this night, so I'm using this little bath from GL Designs Group, and the me time script is also from GL Designs Group. Jumping over to Wednesday, the first thing that I wanted to mark is that I took my sister-in-law into Houston for a doctor's appointment, and you can't see it, but I used the Friends Munchkins from Once More With Love and a doctor's appointment script from the Happy Planner. And I wasn't allowed to go into her appointment with her because they're trying to limit the amount of people in the hospitals and the doctor's offices because of the virus, which I understand. So I just hung out in my car and I played some Animal Crossing. So I'm just going to mark that with this little switch from Sassy Planner Co. and a label from the kit. Then I wanted to mark that we had some Potbelly sandwiches afterwards. So I'm just using this little sandwich emoji from Coffee Monsters Co. to mark that. Then what I wanted to mark is that I got some Happy Mail from Scribble Prints Co. I got my 6-year anniversary bundle. So I'm just using this little box from Sassy Planner Co. And this Happy Mail script that I'm putting down is from a freebie that I got in one of my orders. The next thing that I wanted to mark is that I uploaded my Plan With Me on this day. So I'm just using this little upload emoji from Coffee Monsters Co. And the upload script is from my mom's shop. Then I wanted to mark, you guessed it, more laundry because like I said, I have a never-ending pile of laundry that is just having to be done. And this little laundry line is from Ashley Ann Laz, and that laundry day script is from Sassy Planner Co. Jumping over to Thursday, the very first thing that I wanted to mark is that I got woken up by my kitten on this day. He really wanted to play and get fed, so I'm using this little sleepy kitten from Sweet Ava's paper, and this decorative label is from the kit. Then what I wanted to mark is since I was awake because of my kitten, I just binge watched some YouTube, and I'm using this little YouTube beanie from Every Minute a Story. Then the next thing that I wanted to mark is that I ordered my very first Print Impressions weeks on this day. I was so excited. I'm going to start pre-planning again, and I wanted a pocket planner, so I went ahead and ordered myself a Print Impressions weeks so I can start doing that again. The next thing that I wanted to mark is that I had a personal training session, and I'm just using this little kettlebell from Planning Boss, and that training script again is from Planner Kate. And then the next thing that I wanted to mark is that I made some homemade Chipotle bowls. So I'm using this little chef beanie from Every Minute a Story, and that meal prep script is from the kit. The next thing that I wanted to mark on this day is that I organized my planning space and just organized some stickers and just organized my life because I don't know what it is, but every time I film a Plan With Me, my room gets entirely too messy and I just leave it because I'm like, oh, I'll fix it later, and it gets put off and it becomes a wreck. So I decided to do it on this day. Jumping over to Friday, the first thing that I wanted to mark is that I ran some errands with my mom. So I'm using this little shopping girl from the Fox and Pip, and this shopping script is from the kit. The next thing that I wanted to mark is that I got some Happy Mail from, oh, coincidence, Fox and Pip. So I'm just using this little label from the kit, and the little mailer is from Daily Dose of Stickers. The next thing that I wanted to mark on this day is that Shane and I actually started watching Hoarders on this night. It's on Netflix, and we just decided to start binge watching it. So I'm just using this little movie night icon from the GP Sticker Studio. The next thing that I wanted to mark is that I made some chicken and noodles, which is basically just like a chicken pasta salad, but Shane loves it, so we have that quite frequently. So I'm just using this little dinner icon from the GL Designs group. Then the next thing that I wanted to mark is that I just went and had a lovely workout at my apartment gym. So I'm using this little treadmill girl from Daily Dose of Stickers, and that gym script is from my mom's shop. I cannot tell you how amazing it is that I have accessibility to a gym. Then I also wanted to mark that we paid some bills on this day because this is bill paying time. Jumping over to the next day, I wanted to mark that I paid my car note on this day, so I'm just using this little car payment icon from Sassy Planner Studio. Sassy Planner Co. I'll have it linked below. It rhymed. And then I also made a credit card payment as well. Like I said, it's bill paying week. So the next thing that I wanted to mark after I paid myself some bills is that we had some leftover pizza. I know, super healthy. So I'm just using this little pizza sticker from Carpe Diem sticker book. The next thing that I wanted to mark, I'm not happy to mark at all. My family cat, a cat that I rescued that we've had for 19 years, passed away on this night. It wasn't anything. It wasn't like he was sick. He was just really old, and it was just his time, and it really broke my heart because he was my baby and I'm really gonna miss him. So I had to mark that. The little crying girl is from Daily Dose of Stickers, and that half box is from the kit. So to take my mind off of things, Shane and I just binge watched Hoarders for the rest of the night. Jumping over to Sunday, which is Mother's Day, the first thing that I wanted to mark is that I took some time for myself to try and like lift my spirits and, you know, get over some things and have a nice cry in the shower as I showered and washed my hair and shaved my legs. So that little wash hair girl is from Fox and Cactus, and the bath night script is from Pink Leaf Prints. And then because it was Mother's Day, I wanted to mark that Shane and I went and bought some flowers. So I'm just using some flowers, and that sticky note are both from freebies from GL Designs group. And then we went and we delivered those flowers to our moms and grandmothers and had church over at my parents' house. That little house is from the kit, and that church script is from the Happy Planner. And then the last thing that I wanted to mark is that I did my nails on this night, and that little nail polish bottle is from Planning Boss. Okay, that is it. That is the whole entire spread, and I really like how this turned out. I love the florals. With it being the week of Mother's Day, I really wanted something bright and floral. For some reason, anytime I think Mother's Day, I think flowers because I get my mom flowers every year. I just want to show you guys what I have left over from the kit. I have some boxes, a ton of typography and icons. I have ombre boxes, some teardrops, and these little to-dos. So I will have to destash those. But yeah, that is it, guys. I just want to thank y'all so much for watching this video. This week was a really challenging one for me. So I was really glad that I was able to sit down and to plan and kind of just take my mind off of things that have happened. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ping that notification bell so you can stay up to date on whenever I upload. And don't forget to check the bottom bar so you can follow me on social media. I post a bunch of planner related stuff there, so make sure you check that bottom bar. You can also find my mom's shop, which is Boodles Doodles Design, and then we'll have it all linked below. I just want to thank you guys once again. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!